Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 132. If we start with this box, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. For this box, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. For this row, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got the 4 there, so 1, 4. For this row, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 9. For this column, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. For this box now, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. For this column, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. For this box, we're missing 1 and 3, and I don't see any help. So 1, 3, 1, 3. For this box, we're missing 1 and 4, and I don't see any help. So 1, 4, 1, 4. For this box, we're missing 1 and 3. So 1, 3, 1, 3. For this bottom row, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 6. For this box now, we're missing 4, 5, and 9. We've got 5 and 9 here, so this is our 4. 9 here, so 5, 9. That 4 makes this our 1, 4. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 7. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 9. We've got 1 and 4 here, so this is our 9, but I don't see any other help. So 1, 4, 1, 4. For this column, we're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got 5 and 6 here, so this is our 8, 6 here, so 5, 6. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got 1 and 7 here, so this is our 3. That makes this our 1, 7. That 1 makes this our 3, 1, 3. For this row, we're missing a 4. For this column, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. For this box, we're missing 1 and 9. There's a 9 there, so 1, 9. And that 1 makes this our 4 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.